Hello traders, here we have two positions running over here. As you can see, we're currently just a little bit in profit on cable on the 1 hour time frame here. We're taking a short position. The first position is basically for a very short target, which is based on OE data, and the other one is a much more longer, a bigger target, which is what we are looking at. So this one is closely coming to our target level over here, the first position, which is at 2405. So it's a very small short position, a scalping position, if you may say. What's all the basis for taking all these trades? Let's take a look at this. This is what we're going to be talking about this and more on this trading video. Hi traders, thank you for joining us on this live trading session video today and helping us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It's True on here, founder of MasterTheMarkets Elite Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are traders, as you can see, our first position just got closed out for a 10 pip profit over here, and you can see that the next position over here is running. So what is all the basis for all of these trades? This is what I'm going to be going through with you. The first thing is, why did we take that 10 pip position over there on the first scalping trade? Okay, what was the basis of all of that? Now the first basis of all of that was, traders, is that from any time when we get a top confirmed over here by this arrow, which is what we have programmed over here at Master the Markets through the SMI Smart Money Indicator over here.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
What we are really doing over here is that we have defined our tops and bottoms so as to find out how much move is left every time we get a confirmation. So what we have done here, this was actually work that was started back in the 1960s, where they started to quantify the tops and bottoms all with one objective, which is to keep the entry point consistent so that then they can calculate how much move is left after that point. So if you take a look over here, so if I were to go under here, and if I were to just do my OE data over here, and I just change this greater than or equal to, and I start with 10 and 10, over here is what I'm looking at. Let's just do 5 and 5. This is on the 1 hour time frame what I'm doing. So if I do 5 and 5 over here, traders, so then what I'm looking at over here, just pardon all this noise that is going on in the background. It's just some refurbishment work that's going on. Now, let me just wait for this to change to 5 and 5. Let me just quickly just do that once more. And then we'll get the data over here if you take a look, right? So all it's telling you over here is that over the 10, over the 5 pips, that means basically from this starting point, it does 5 pips 84% of the time. However, it does 10 pips 71% of the time. Okay, that's all this is telling you at the moment. So why did we choose the 10 pips over here? The reason why we did that, traders, is because if you take a look over here, when I look at my daily time frame and my 1 hour time frame, I see a correlation. This is what we call a top to bottom move. So it's towards signaling towards the short direction. And over here on the 1 hour is taken out my lower stretch line as well. Okay, so that is the one main reason why we took it to the downside. Now, any of these terminologies that you're not sure or anything, you can always head over to our.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, Watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
So in coming back to this, so the open equity from this starting point here, I took a 10 pips because 71% of the time it will get there. And basically that's the whole basis of the first scalping trade that we took in alignment with the daily time frame as well. Now the second position that we are taking over here, traders, what we are doing over here is an entry. Let me just mark it on the charts for you guys as well, so it's a bit more clearer. Again, what I'm doing is I am taking my entry on the close of the bar, right? So on the close of the bar over here, on the dot, right? And my stop loss is going to be for the highest point of the day or the swing low, whichever is smaller. So then I've got that one there, right? And then what we then have is our target point. Where how am I choosing this target point of 12379? I'm actually taking it from the daily bar range, and I'm taking about 80% of the ATR. So we got 83 over here, which you can read, 83, and 80% of that is what I'm taking, and then I'm taking it from the high over there, and I'm just subtracting that. So 83 taken out from the high is what I'm then looking at, and then that's my target over there. That's my green line. So I've got everything locked in now. 2415, 2447, 2379 on my longer range target. Okay, my first position is already out for £100. Now I'm running my second position, which is over here running, and I've got to know my how am I going to trail my stop loss and my order route for that as well. And as the trade progresses, I'll show you guys how we are going to be doing that. As of now, what I can see is this bar here is an out what we call an outsider bar, right? Because it has taken out the low of this and the high of this as well. Yeah, so that's also another word for stop taking bar. Has gone out to the high, it's taken out the stops, and it came back down. So what we will do now is we will trail our stop loss for the high over here, around here, right? And I'll just trail it to the high, which is 12427, 12429. So I will trail that there. 1.2429 is what we are looking at, and I'll just trail that over there. And there you go, traders, we have trailed that. So all this gives you a good representation of basically where we entered, right, on this close. Initial stop loss was here, and where we have trailed. So we reduced our initial risk, which was from here to here, to almost of a quarter. Okay, and then now the trade is going in our more in our favor at the moment. But remember, this is not what you should be looking at. This is unrealized profit. As professionals, we don't look at that. We just keep focusing on how we are going to trail our stop. Okay, all right, traders, I guess that's pretty much that from me on this video. As the trade progresses along, I will update this video and show you guys how we're going to trail it, and how our targets have also been taken, and how it's progressing as well. Okay, all right, that's pretty much that from me. As I mentioned before, if you guys want to check out our free 5-day video course, learn much more about these methodologies, you can then learn from the Trader Starter Pack. 38 years of cumulative experience and over 12 years of collected research by institutional quant traders. Okay, that will give you a very good understanding of the whole open equity methodology on how much move is left on a probability basis. Very important. All right, traders, that's pretty much that from me on this video. And as we always say, till next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.